Hello and welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Robert Borges, and today we're aboard our all-new 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This particular boat is powered by twin 300 Mercury Verados in the white color. You'll see the white and gray color scheme on this boat is absolutely gorgeous. You have a very nice sure shade system that comes out and covers and gives you shade all the way out to the seating in the back. And if you follow me into the cockpit area, real nicely set up wet bar with a refrigerator, a prep area, and a sink. This particular hardtop has the opening, so if you want to cruise at night, take a look at the stars, or even get some sun in this area, lends itself to that. If you follow over to the Helm area, you'll see that it's equipped with a dual SIMRAD system, the upgraded Fusion stereo. You have the electric throttle, the new electric throttle from Mercury, and also the joystick JPO configuration. Over to the bow area, you'll see it's a really nice setup, lots of seating. You also have an optional table on this boat with the electronic windlass in the front. So very comfortable boat, great for entertaining, 12 to 15 of your friends, and also has a day head in here. Really well appointed for a 31-foot boat. So again, this is a 2023 Sea Ray 310 SPX OB located at MarineMax Miami. Go ahead and ask for me, Robert Borges, or you can reach me directly at 305-586-7400 to set up a viewing of this boat. Thank you very much.